Prepare to witness the unstoppable force of luxury travel. This is the Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6, a heavy-duty truck that refuses to accept limits. Built on a military-grade chassis, this six-wheel drive behemoth is designed to cross any continent and survive any terrain. It combines the off-road capability of a tank with the opulence of a five-star hotel. This isn't just an RV, it's your private mobile fortress. At the heart of this beast lies a relentless 7.2-liter diesel engine, producing nearly 500 horsepower and an enormous amount of torque. With permanent six-wheel drive, differential locks on all axles, and a staggering 4-foot wading depth, the Zetros can climb gradients and traverse mud that would stop any other vehicle. It's engineered to be self-sufficient for weeks, no matter how far you are from civilization. Accessing your mobile home is an event in itself. Press a button and a rugged, motorized staircase descends. As the door opens, you leave the harsh elements behind and enter a world of uncompromising comfort. The transition from the raw exterior to the refined interior is stark. Let's step inside and see how this industrial giant pampers its occupants. Welcome inside the main saloon. This space is a masterpiece of ergonomic design and luxury. You are surrounded by handcrafted cabinetry, genuine leather upholstery, and real wood flooring. Whether you are dining with guests or simply lounging, the oversized windows keep you connected to the breathtaking landscapes outside, while climate control keeps you perfectly comfortable. This is luxury living, completely off-grid. Forget freeze-dried camping meals. The Zetros features a full gourmet galley kitchen that would put many city apartments to shame. You have a powerful induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a high-end compressor fridge. With abundant fresh water storage, advanced filtration systems, and deep pantry storage, you can prepare 5-course meals in the middle of the Amazon rainforest or at the edge of the Arctic Circle. Hygiene on the road is never compromised. The Zetros includes a fully equipped ensuite wet room. It features a domestic-style rain shower, a modern sink, and a ceramic toilet. Thanks to massive holding tanks and a high-capacity water heater, you can enjoy a hot shower after a long day of exploring, thousands of miles away from the nearest campground. Every necessity of modern life is right here. At the end of the day, retreat to your private sanctuary. The master bedroom features a permanent, full-sized queen bed with a premium mattress. Smart storage solutions surround you. The highlight is the overhead skylight, allowing you to fall asleep under the stars in the absolute quiet of the wilderness. It's the perfect place to recharge before tomorrow's adventure. Control is everything when you are far off the grid. The Zetros is managed by a state-of-the-art C-Zone digital switching system. From these touchscreens, you monitor the massive solar array, the lithium battery bank, and the fresh water supply. You can control the lighting, heating, and even lock the differential with the flick of a switch. This is where raw mechanical power meets smart, intuitive technology. The exploration doesn't stop when you park the truck. The Zetros features a heavy-duty hydraulic lift at the rear, capable of carrying a full-sized adventure motorcycle or an ATV. This gives you the freedom to set up base camp and explore the surrounding trails on a smaller, more agile machine. It's the ultimate tool for complete exploration. The Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6 is more than just a recreational vehicle. It's a statement of freedom. It is for those who demand the absolute best, who refuse to compromise on luxury, and who want to explore the most remote corners of the planet in total safety and comfort. It is the ultimate combination of unstoppable engineering and 5-star hospitality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible automotive giants.